Chicken vegetable kebab. Let's make yummy kebab. In a pan, add 1 tbsp oil, 1 tbsp garlic paste, 1 small chopped onion, fry until smell gone, 1 cup carrot, 1 cup capsicum, 1 cup cabbage, boiled shredded chicken, 1/2 tsp salt, 1/2 tsp corn, 1/2 tsp black pepper, 1/2 tsp red chili flakes, 1/4 tsp turmeric, 1/2 tsp garam masala. Mix well. Add coriander. 2 tbsp corn flour mix with water to bind the mixture. Now keep it aside and let it cool. Now put the mixture in bowl. One cup breadcrumbs. Mix well. One egg and crumbs for frying. Make small round shape. First dip in egg and then crumbs. Follow the same procedure. Fry them in hot oil. Fry until golden brown. If you like the video, do like, subscribe, share, and comment.